Welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to track your Ria Money Transfer online, step by step, so you can always stay updated on your money's journey. Tracking your transfer is simple and doesn't require logging into your account. All you need is your order number or PIN and the receiver's last name. Go to the official Ria Money Transfer website, that's www.riamoneytransfer.com, and look for the Track Transfer option at the top of the home page. Click it, and you'll be taken to the tracking page. Enter your order number or PIN and the receiver's last name, and click Track Transfer. Within seconds, you'll see the real-time status of your transaction, whether it's still being processed, ready for pickup, or successfully delivered. If you're using the Ria Money Transfer app, you can track your transfer right inside the app. Just open it, go to Activity, and select the transfer you want to monitor. You'll see all the same details, including when the funds were sent, when they arrived, and where they can be collected. That's all there is to it. Tracking your Ria Money Transfer online is quick, secure, and available anytime.